example 4, find the values of the 6 trig functions for an angle of 90 degrees. We're dealing with quadrantal angles this time. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be a little bit different. It's the same thing as what we did in the previous few examples. Okay, the problem that I see is they don't give me that xy point. Okay, that's really what we want in all of these, is we want an xy point. You give me an xy point, I'll find r, we'll be good. Okay, what they give me is this 90-degree angle. And so it's good to probably visualize this. Let's look at a 90-degree angle. Okay, here's a 90-degree angle, right? What you would want to do is try to come up with an xy point that's on that 90-degree angle line. Okay? So, can we come up with a point right here? There are infinitely many possibilities. There are also infinitely many wrong possibilities, but can anybody come up with a point that would be on this line right here? 0, 6. That'll work. 0, 5, 0, 3, 0, 9, 0, 14. Any of those will work. I'm going to try and keep it as simple as possible, though, and I'm going to say the easiest one to do would be 0, 1. Okay? I think 0, 1 is on that line, as is 0, 6, as is 0, 9, whatever. Okay? A lot of different points on that line. I just need to pick one. Okay? I think that's going to be good for me. So I have an xy point here. We need r. So let's use that same formula. We've got 0 squared is 0, and we've got 1 squared is 1. That's going to be square root of 1. R equals 1. Okay? So if we use that 0.01, we find an r value of 1. We ought to be able to do the exact same thing as before. We know sine goes with y. So that's 1 over 1. Y over r, 1 over 1. Sine theta is 1. I guess since we know the angle, we could say sine 90. Let's say sine 90 degrees equals 1. And if you check that out on your calculator, as long as you're in degree mode, you're going to get sine 90 equals 1. That's exactly what you have. Cosine 90 degrees. Cosine goes with the x value. We're talking about 0 over r. X over r is 0 over 1. 0. Cosine 90 equals 0. Tangent 90. Tangent's y over x. Y over x. 1 over 0. Very good. 1 over 0 is going to be undefined. Okay? Undefined. Cosecant 90 degrees. We're taking the reciprocal of the sine number. It's going to be r over y. 1 over 1. And secant 90 degrees is going to be the reciprocal of cosine. Reciprocal of cosine is going to be r over x. 1 over 0 is undefined. And cotangent 90 degrees is going to be the reciprocal of tangent. 0 over 1 is 0. Okay? Same thing. Find the values of the 6 trig functions. There you go. Example 4b, same thing, but this time they give you a point. Okay, well good. They gave me an xy point. Perfect. I'll use that xy point and I'll find r. X squared, negative 3 squared, that's 9. Y squared, that's 0 squared, is 0. I've got the square root of 9 is 3, so r equals 3. I've got x, I've got y, I've got r. I should be able to finish this up. Sine theta, that's y over r. 0 over 3 is 0. Cosine theta, that's x over r. Negative 3 over 3 is negative 1. Tangent theta, y over x. 0 over negative 3 is 0. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine. That's going to be 3 over 0. That's undefined. Secant theta, the reciprocal of cosine theta. That's 3 over negative 3 is negative 1. And cotangent theta is the reciprocal of tangent theta. That's negative 3 over 0. That is undefined. there are your 6 trig function values for that point, negative 3.